चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
A purported objectionable video has surfaced of AAP Punjab Minister Balkar Singh a few days ago, which BJP had shared and deemed as obscene. In the alleged video, he's asking for favors while the girl who had approached him for a job, and he proceeded with dirty advances allegedly. He was on the call on the attempt of giving her a job. While the minister has denied knowledge of the said video, the NCW has called for a probe. The shocking video of the AAP minister has triggered outrage, and in the latest development, Republic confronted Balkar Singh on the flash gate. Listen in to the sequence.
आप पे इतने आरोप लग रहे हैं और कहा जा रहा है कि युवती को नौकरी दिलाने के एवज में आपने उसके साथ
I have no comments.
गलत किया।
I have no comments.
सर आपको जवाब देना होगा सर।
No comment.
सर आपको जवाब देना होगा
No
सर।
comment.
सर
No
आपको जवाब
comment.
देना होगा सर। सर बलकार सर बलकार सर बलकार सर बलकार सर बलकार जी 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 आप पे इतने आरोप लग रहे हैं और कहा जा रहा है कि युवती को नौकरी दिलाने के एवज में आपने उसके साथ
I have no comments.
गलत किया।
I have no comments.
सर आपको
No-
जवाब देना होगा सर।
No comment.
सर आपको जवाब देना होगा
No
सर।
comment.
सर
No
आपको जवाब
comment.
देना होगा सर। सर बलकार सर बलकार सर बलकार सर बलकार सर बलकार जी बलकार जी बलकार जी बलकार जी बलकार जी बलकार जी बलकार जी।
And Republic had confronted AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal on the said flashgate. He was mum on assault gate for a prolonged silence, and he did not utter even on this. Listen in to my colleague Akhil's confrontation of Arvind Kejriwal.
Why don't you sack Mr. Balkar Singh? Mr. Kejriwal, why don't you sack Mr. Balkar Singh? Mr. Kejriwal, why don't you sack Mr. Balkar Singh? Mr. Kejriwal, you will have to answer my question. Mr. Kejriwal, you will have to answer my question. Why don't you sack Mr. Balkar Singh? Mr. Kejriwal, why don't you sack Mr. Balkar Singh? Why don't you sack Mr. Balkar Singh? Please allow me to answer. Please allow me to answer. I'm just asking you. Yes, I'm just asking a question. I'm a journalist. Please allow me to ask a question. Mr. Kejriwal. Mr. Kejriwal. Why don't you sack Mr. Balkar Singh? Mr. Kejriwal, why don't you sack Mr. Balkar Singh? Mr. Kejriwal, why don't you sack Mr. Balkar Singh? Mr. Kejriwal, you will have to answer my question. Mr. Kejriwal, you will have to answer my question. Why don't you sack Mr. Balkar Singh? Mr. Kejriwal, why don't you sack Mr. Balkar Singh?
Arvind Kejriwal did not speak on the flashgate and continues his attitude as it was in Assaultgate. On the other hand, the AAP minister in Punjab is under the scanner for the obscene video, and the NCW has swung in action. It has asked for a report within 3 days from the authorities after the video had surfaced. We have my colleague Gursimran joining us live from Jalandhar. Get us more details on the flashgate within the AAP. Gursimran, he has ducked questions from Republic, but the BJP produced the video on social media. They said that AAP's continued controversies in recent times makes it an anti-women party. What is the scenario? How is AAP leader taking it? And what did the AAP ministers say to non-Republic?
See, I have no comments. Is the repeated answers by the AAP Minister Balkar Singh as we tried to ask him some of the toughest questions yesterday when we got him on ground, the only channel having got off and hold to the AAP Minister who is under the controversy. Arvind Kejriwal, Akhil and I have been asking him questions yesterday afternoon. Arvind Kejriwal and their entire leadership in Punjab have been evasive of these questions. Now coming to the connotations that this flashgate is going to have, this is going to have a really bad impression, especially on the Jalandhar Lok Sabha seat. This is going to cost votes for the Aam Aadmi Party. That is what we are sensing on ground, that AAP is going to have a dent, at least from what the Balkar Singh has done. The timing of the video is yet to be ascertained because the video has come into fore. Apart from that video, there has not been any much information that is available. But yes, in the several quarters, there are talks that there is another part of this video that might come very soon. That is what there are some talks that are figuring in even in the circles of the Aam Aadmi Party also. Apart from this, what we are getting to know that so far no action has been initiated by the Punjab Police. I spoke to two of the senior officials that are responsible for the law and order situation in the region, in the Jalandhar rural, and they have said that so far no action has been taken because since he's the minister of the Aam Aadmi Party, the AAP is in no mood to act against him. But of late there will be an action. That is what we are picking up as part of the regular reshuffle that will take place soon after the Lok Sabha election results, since 8 of the AAP ministers are in the political fray for the member of parliament and then they have to resign as the MLA. And then there will be some reshuffle that will take place, and it is highly possible that then Mr. Balkar Singh will be shunted out. But that is something we have to watch on a week later. But for now, the AAP is reluctant not to act against their own minister. It is just because the elections are around the corner and they don't want to displease the community from which Balkar Singh comes from.